First, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fried up and tired of the way that things have been. No, the way that things have been. No. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking myself into the messes, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, feeling me, singing from heart edge on the pain, taking my message from the veins, taking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. You made me a believer. Pain, you break me down, you build me up, believer. Pain, oh let the bullet fly, oh let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from pain. Anamalu koli kottu sini. Pain, anamalu koli kottu sini. Pain, oh let the bullet fly, oh let them rain. My life, my drive, it came from